This is the start of the debriefing process. At this point, you will have attached the electrode cap, worked all the electrodes, and they will be under 5 coulombs.
Once you turn off the impedance check on OMI, the ERP recording computer, the participant's brain data should be visible.
You will do that by pressing this omega symbol up here. Once that is done, you will be able to see the brainwaves. Please be aware that this is not a visual representation of the data because we don't have anyone plugged in at the moment, but it will instead look like these waves up here.
Once you return to the research participant, tell them that the letters and numbers to the left of the graph all correspond to a different electrode on their scalp. Explain that the y-axis tracks the voltage of an electrode, and the x-axis is a measure of time passed. After data processing, this allows us to track the time and electrical activity after a specific event, like a word, sound, or image has occurred. Encourage the participant to blink and then point out the spike on the VEOG and HEOG electrode channels on the graph. Explain to them that excessive eye blinking and movement are discouraged during the testing portion of the study as it interferes with the ERP data we wish to collect. You can then explain to them what ERPs are. ERPs, also known as event-related potentials, are electroencephalogram data, the data on the graph you just showed them, that is time-locked to an event such as a word, sound, or image. Make sure to note that it's a non-invasive technique used in cognitive neuroscience and simply allows researchers to measure the brain's response to such events, and tells us how certain types of information are processed. If they have questions specific to your study, wait until the experiment is over and encourage them to read the debriefing form. Then, respond to their questions accordingly. If they have additional questions about how we process this data, you may offer to show them the chart above OMI when the final study trial is complete and the participant is cleaned up. When the experiment is finished, go into the observation room. Walk the participant out to the prep chair. Hand them their debriefing form and allow them to read while you clean their hair up with a tissue.
Okay, so here's the debriefing form. Please take a moment to read this and let me know if you have any questions. There's a line to sign at the bottom. And just help get some of that gel off your hair.
Tell the participant there's a bathroom down the hall that they may use to clean up as well.
Okay, thank you so much for signing. You did a great job. There's a bathroom down the hall if you need to clean up a little more, but other than that, you're good. Have a nice day.
Let them know that if they wash their hair 2 times, all of the gel should come out. Also, remind them that there might be some minor scabbing for a few days after the procedure.